The PonssePlc King Elephant stands as the most robust forwarder in the PonssePlc lineup, specifically engineered for demanding, heavy-duty wood transportation. Impressive load-carrying capacity reaches up to 20,000 kilograms, complemented by a generous load space, with a cross-sectional area spanning 5.8 to 6.7 square meters and a length ranging from 4,540 to 5,450 millimeters, which can be further extended by 700 millimeters with a glide bunk. Powering this formidable machine is a reliable Mercedes-Benz/MTU engine. Offered in various emission standards, Stage 3A, Stage 5, delivering approximately 205 to 210 kilowatts. The Vermeer D 100 by 140 S3 Navigator is a robust horizontal directional drill engineered for demanding pipeline, delivering a maximum rotary torque of 14,000 foot-pounds and rotational speeds up to 203 revolutions per minute. Operators can choose between 15 feet or 20 feet fire stick drill rod lengths to optimize for footprint or onboard capacity. Powered by a 275 horsepower CAT engine, it provides 100,000 pounds of thrust and pullback, with a carriage speed of up to 175 feet per minute and a ground drive speed of 2.8 miles per hour. Transport dimensions vary based on rod length, with the 15-foot option having a minimum length. The KRONE Cranes. Gottwald Mobile Harbor Crane ESP-10 is a high-capacity and versatile cargo handling, featuring a maximum working radius of 64 meters and a lifting capacity of up to 125 tons, with hoisting speeds reaching 120 meters per minute. In its two-rope configuration, it offers a robust 74-ton lifting capacity, up to a 44-meter radius, extending to its maximum 125-ton lift at a 30-meter radius, making it suitable for containers, general cargo, and heavy project cargo. The ESP.10 provides a 50-ton enabling efficient handling of bulk materials, from vessels up to Cape-size class, with potential handling rates of 1,200 tons per hour. The Case IH Magnum 380 is a powerful row crop tractor available. 1. It is equipped with an 8.7-liter FPT engine that delivers a rated horsepower of 380 horsepower and a maximum engine power of up to 435 horsepower. 2. The Power Takeoff PTO horsepower is rated at 315 horsepower. The tractor has a fuel tank capacity of around 163 to 175 gallons and a DF tank capacity of approximately 23 to 26.2 gallons. The hydraulic system offers a flow rate of up to 44 gallons per minute, with options for 4 to 6 rear remote valves. The rear 3-point hitch The JCB Fastrac 8250 is a distinctive high-speed tractor, renowned for its versatility and unique design, powered by a Cummins QSC 8.3-liter turbocharged and intercooled diesel engine, delivering approximately 260 to 280 horsepower and a maximum torque of around 1,179 Newton-meters. Its V-tronic continuously variable transmission (CVT) offers seamless speed control across 2 ranges, reaching up to 42 miles per hour, 68 kilometers per hour. The hydraulic system provides a flow rate of about 55 gallons per minute, with a pressure of 3,045 pounds per square inch, supporting multiple rear and optional front remote valves. It boasts a rear 3-point hitch lift capacity.
The Homer Terrados T3 is a powerful and efficient self-propelled sugar beet harvester, typically driven by MAN D2876 Li engine, producing around 5 HP. and utilizing a hydrostatic drive system with a 2-axle design. Its multi-row VR series lifted unit, suitable for 45 to 50 centimeter row spacings. The harvester features a large 28 MEM3 bunker, holding approximately 21 to 22 tons. The operator enjoys a comfortable cabin, often including a touchscreen interface and automatic height control. With the length of around 12.60 meters, a width of about 3 meters, and a height of approximately 3.98 meters, the TerraDose T3 has an unladen weight starting around 27 tons and often includes features like automatic lubrication and durable components. The Fendt Momentum Planner is a high-capacity precision planning solution available in configurations from 16 to 48 rows, accommodating various row spacings. A distinctive inline center tandem wheel design with VF tires and optional Vario grip automatic tire pressure. The vertically contouring toolbar, VCT, provides up to 65.9 inches of vertical travel. High capacity is achieved with twin seed tanks holding up to 130 bushels, and optional liquid up to 1,000 gallons and dry fertilizer systems. Horsepower requirements range from 8 to 20 HP per row, and hydraulic requirements are between 3570 GPM. The planner offers a convenient one-button, unfold-fold system for transport, with a width and height of approximately 12 feet. Optional features like load logic weight management, speed tube, seed tubes. The Homer RRL 200 Echo is a trailed sugar beet cleaner loader designed for single operator efficiency. By integrating with existing load-carrying vehicles, it is powered by a fuel-efficient 75 kW Perkins Tier 4 final diesel engine, operating at a low engine speed of around 1200 RPM. The machine features a 9 MEM3 bunker with a transfer capacity of approximately 200 tons per hour, a transfer width up to 9.50 meters, a transfer height up to 5.50 meters, and a loading arm swivel angle of up to 125 degrees. It ensures efficient loading. For road transport, it has a width of 3.00 meters and a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour. The RRL 200 Eco is equipped with central lubrication, LED working lights, and remote control operation. It ensures efficient loading. For road transport, it has a width of 3.0 meters and a top speed of 40 km/h. The KRONE Swadro S460DB is a trailed single-rotor rake with a working width of 4.60 meters, capable of forming swath widths between 0.80 and 1.80 meters. Its 3.60-meter diameter rotor is equipped with 13 tine arms, 7 of which fold for transport, and each arm carries 4 robust 10mm double-lift tines. For optimal ground contour adaptation, the rotor runs on a smooth 4-wheel chassis with 18 Angsot 0.950 8 tires, requiring a minimum tractor power of around 30 HP. This drawbar-attached rake has a transport, a storage length of approximately 3.98 meters, and a storage height of about 2.60 meters with an approximate weight of 820 kg. The Homer Terra Variant 585 is a robust self-propelled carrier vehicle primarily utilized as a high-capacity slurry tanker. It is powered by a Tier 4 final compliant Mercedes-Benz OM 473 LA diesel engine, delivering a substantial 585 HP and a maximum torque of 2750 Nm. A Funk DF 500 powershift transmission provides 18 forward and 6 reverse gears, enabling road speeds up to 40 km/h and field speeds up to 32 km/h. Its dimensions are approximately 10.16 meters long, around 3 meters wide, depending on tires, and 3.99 meters high. The slurry tank has a 21 M3 capacity and is equipped with a powerful Vogelsang rotary load pump. The intake pipe has a 180-degree swivel range and a 5.70-meter reach. Various Terra tire options are available to optimize for different working widths. and soil protection. Weighing approximately 21.5 tons,